What's going on, everybody? Jason Wright here with Inspire TV. Today I'm going to show you how to build a simple landing page in ClickFunnels. And landing pages are nothing new, and ClickFunnels is nothing new, but there's still tons of people that don't understand what they are or how they can help their business, so I'm going to show you. So I'm in ClickFunnels. I have just a funnel I've called Demo Funnel for the purpose of making this video. And say you're a coach or a consultant and you have an application process for your business. This could be helpful for that. This could be helpful for driving sales to a book on Amazon. There's a lot of different options here. So I'm just going to make something quickly. So this is ClickFunnels. It's drag and drop friendly, pretty easy to use. There is a learning curve, I'll be honest, but you can make some simple pages that work fairly easily. So I'm just going through, kind of following the directions here, adding new rows and that type of thing. Typically the first thing you want is some kind of a headline. You can change your sizes and your fonts and all that stuff here. So big headline goes here. We'll use that. Adjust your size right in front of you. Change your font if you want to. There's all kinds of stuff you can do, okay? And sometimes you might want some branding. So I know I normally do. There's a lot of different types of funnels you can build. So just building a landing page is about the most basic, but it helps you to wrap your mind around what's possible. So there's my business, Intentionally Inspirational. Let's see, a little too small. Let's make that a little bigger. I'm just playing around with these width sizes over here to the right. Okay. And move this up a little bit. Give this thing a little space here. You see I'm just moving the mouse, just dragging around. No coding or anything like that needed. And a lot of times people will have a video. Videos are great. If you'll make a video to explain what you're offering or what you're doing, I think it's one of the easiest ways to convey a message. Play around with the size of that. And really basic example. And then some kind of a call to action button. Okay. And for this, I'm going to put apply for my cool service, whatever that may be. This is just a landing page where you have complete control over what people see and how they interact with it. And you're going to have some kind of a button, okay? Same thing with the button, like any other element here. You play around with the color, play around with the fonts, play around with the sizes, the shadow, just goes on and on and on, which is great. You get the exact type of look you're going for. Add some text shadow here. Okay. So here we go. The other thing that's nice about ClickFunnels is, say I was pitching a coaching application. You could have the brand, you could have whatever you want to pitch, you could have a video explaining it, a button, and you can even view it in mobile to make sure that it looks the way you want it to look. So you can make mobile specific changes to your landing page. And this is kind of the foundation of any funnel anyway. And I'm going to come over here to these mobile specific sizes, adjust that down. Oop, too small. It's whatever you're looking for. There we go. I'll do that, and then always want to save. All right. Say I wanted this a little bit smaller, get a little bit more out of it. So we will edit the mobile size again, start picking numbers. You'll figure it out pretty quickly. And maybe you want to go the other way with it. Maybe you want to go huge, too big. All right, that's fine. Probably where I started, but that's fine. And not quite done. So you can put meta tags for SEO. So put my name, Jason Wright. Title, we will put my demo funnel for Inspire TV. A description, sample landing page for my awesome viewers. And whatever keywords you want. You notice ClickFunnels is slick and puts their own information in there for default keywords. So if you don't change it, you're just driving more traffic for them. pretty genius. So for keyword examples, I'm going to put my brand name or my name of my business. For me to be intentionally inspirational. And we're a digital marketing automation company. I'm just trying to give some value and some education with this video, and more to come just like it. So you put whatever you wanted to there. Go ahead and save. And then whenever you want to see what it looks like, your landing page to a person, you can literally just preview. It gives you kind of that real world, that's just a default video, kind of a real world look. You can pop back over here. All right, one more thing I definitely want, add some kind of a branding to the bottom to make it look official. And I'm using an Apple, so I'm going to go ahead and hit Option G to make that copyright. 2018 intentionally inspirational .com. And I'm going to make that a little bit smaller. Change the font. I go with Oswald and 16. Yeah, I might have done this before. Move that down a little bit. All right, very simple landing page. So where might this make sense? I'll use my website as an example and show you. So my website is built on WordPress, because what we'll have, and say I have an application that's like with typeform, for example. I use typeform. It's pretty cool. Just like Google Sheets, or sorry, Google Forms, but much nicer. So if I click my button, I can set my action to URL. So if you use Typeform, for example, and I have no affiliation with Typeform, but I could drop the URL to my form, so my coaching form or whatever I want to do. And I could put, just make it up a URL, put Google. And what you want to do is you want to hit enter, and you'll see it goes from red to black, and then you want to save it so that when people hit your button on your landing page, and you can use just a basic landing page for a lot of stuff, but when they hit your button, it's going to take them to where you told it to go. So this will kick me to Google, or not. Let's see. I didn't put all this junk in the front. Try this one more time to show you what I do know what I'm talking about here. All right. Get the right prefixes on there and try this again. We'll save. We will preview. Now it will take us to Google. Boom. Okay. All right, so we've got our landing page. If we back out of it, we'll get a URL for the landing page. In this video, we're not going into custom domains or anything. If I click this question mark, it'll show me the URL. It's going to be something ugly, okay? Businessname.clickfunnels, blah, 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 right? So if I go to my WordPress site, this is a funnel, this is a funnel. So you can make a menu, you can make a custom menu option in WordPress. So maybe it filters into your website. See, I use the website because we blog. We've got 100 blog posts or something pretty heavily. So that's a big piece of our SEO. But anyway, if you link up your funnel to a menu option on your website, or even a link somewhere else, it doesn't matter if the URL is pretty or not. No one's going to see it. So link up your funnel to your website, link it up in the signature of your email, link it up on social media, whatever you want to do. And you can always use Bitly or a link shortener to do the same thing as well. And then on the back end, like I said, it goes straight to Typeform. So, in this example, you could click coaching on my website, it takes you to this landing page. I can have whatever information, testimonials, whatever I want to here, make this as big as I want to, and then I can have a button that has a call to action that drives people to my form. So hope that makes sense. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Another nice thing about ClickFunnels is you can actually view the stats and see how this page is, not only how many people are hitting it, but what kind of opt-ins or things like that you're having as well. So hope that is helpful for you. Thanks for watching. See you soon.